think everyone should have one of these in their car now for their own protection, especially now that they're so inexpensive. Of all the ones that I reviewed, this is my absolute favorite dash cam. This is the one that's going in my car, and I'll tell you why in a moment. Installing and using these couldn't be any simpler. You simply attach this to your front windshield using the sticky part, and then plug in the power cord, and that's it. Using it is even simpler. When you start your vehicle, this will automatically turn on and record the entire time you're driving. When you shut your vehicle off, it will then save that video and shut itself off. This device never runs out of space because when the memory card is full, it starts recording over the oldest videos that you have. Here are the reasons why this one is my favorite. It's very small. You stick these to your front window, so if the camera is big or the mount is too big, it's going to block your view. This one is very compact. If you stick this one up by your rearview mirror, you won't even know it's there. Here's my absolute favorite thing about this one, is it has a rear-facing camera that is optional. Typically on these dash cameras, they have a front-facing camera that looks out to your front windshield. They also have a rear-facing camera that's going to record what's going on inside your vehicle. I got tons of comments from people saying they do not want to be recorded while they're driving their car. And I kind of feel the same way. With this one, the camera is optional. You can put it on and use it if you want, but you don't have to. The power cord that this comes with is a cigarette lighter adapter. If you don't have one of these in your car, you can use whatever cord you want, as long as one end is one of these. This is one of the old school USBs. This is what plugs directly into the camera. So as long as you have a cord that's got that, you can power it any way you want. This device has two more features that I'd really like to talk about. The first is motion detection. If you turn on motion detection in this, it will record whenever it sees something moving. And you can keep the camera on so it does that whenever you want. You could do that in your driveway, your garage, at a parking lot, whatever you want. The second feature that I really like with this camera is it has a shock sensor. And if you activate that, even when the camera's turned off, if somebody hits your car hard enough to shake this, it will turn on and record for 20 seconds. Like I said, this is my favorite camera that I've reviewed. This is the one that's going to my own vehicle. I put a link to this product down below. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you.